Number 2. The Nike Men's Court Vision Low. These kicks have been creating some buzz, and I'm here to break down whether they're worth the hype. Let's lace up and get into it. Starting off with design, Nike delivers that classic look we all love. The Court Vision Low comes in a sleek white-on-white colorway, giving off a clean and timeless vibe. The iconic swoosh on the side adds that signature Nike touch, making these sneakers stand out in style. One cool thing about these kicks is their unisex appeal. Whether you're rocking them for a casual day out or a sporty look, they effortlessly cater to everyone. The versatility here is a major win, making these sneakers a go-to choice for a range of fashion preferences. Comfort is key, and Nike knows it. The Court Vision Low boasts a combination of synthetic materials and rubber, providing both durability and comfort. The sneakers offer a snug fit without sacrificing flexibility, making them a solid choice for all-day wear without any discomfort. Looking for the perfect pair of casual shoes? Look no further. The Court Vision Low nails the casual aesthetic. From jeans to shorts, these sneakers complement a variety of outfits, making them an ideal choice for everyday wear. They effortlessly blend comfort with a laid-back style. In conclusion, the Nike Men's Court Vision Low sneaker is a definite win. The iconic design, unisex appeal, comfort, and versatile style make these kicks a solid addition to any sneaker collection. Whether you're a Nike enthusiast or just looking for quality casual shoes, these sneakers won't disappoint. There you have it, folks, my take on the Nike Men's Court Vision Low sneaker.